Hello everyone and welcome to QuizRank. So QuizRank is an entertainment application that allows you to do three main things. So the first one is challenging yourself by taking quizzes of trivia questions. The second one is competing with others on a real-time global leaderboard. And the last one is learning from your quiz results. Okay. So in this demo video, I'm going to walk you through how to go about QuizRank. Okay. So the first thing you have to do is opening your web browser and entering www.playquizrank.com, okay, or simply playquizrank.com, okay. So that will take you to this page, okay, which is the landing page, okay. So you can go through the landing page, and once you are ready, you can start your first quiz, okay. So press on this button to sign up. So there are two main options to sign up. You can use the continue with Google option, or you can sign up using an email and password. Okay. So in this demo video, I'm going to use the continue with Google option because it's much easier. Okay. Great. So yeah, I'll have to agree with the terms of service and the privacy policy. Okay. So you can click on the links and check them out. Right, so there's the terms and conditions, okay. You can go through, and I added a very cool AI feature, not an AI feature per se, but it's a feature that allows you to copy the terms and conditions as a prompt and paste in your favorite AI, okay, to summarize it for you. The same for the privacy policy. So once you've gone through the terms of service and privacy policy and you agree, you can check this checkbox and continue with the sign up process. Okay. Great. So after the sign up, you'll be taken to the dashboard where you can start using QuizRank. Okay. Great. So the first thing you'll have to do, or I highly recommend you do, is access your user portal and customize how you will appear on the global leaderboard. Okay. So you can do that by clicking on this user button. Okay. So click on this one, then go to manage accounts. So here you can update the name that will appear on the global leaderboard. Okay, so I'm going to update this one to Ghana. Oops. Right. Then save. You can also update the image also or your avatar. Okay, so I'm going to upload a different image. Let's use Ghana. Great. So once the upload is successful, automatically save it for you. Okay. So now that I've customized my the way I will appear on the leaderboard, I can start by starting a new quiz. Okay. Okay. So I'll press on this button, and then to start a new quiz, you have to. The only required input is the number of questions you want to answer. Okay. So I'm going to enter 10. Okay. So you can use this quick options to pick the number of questions. Okay. I can use the random option to randomize between the range. So I'm going to use 10 for now. Okay. You can optionally customize the difficulty and the question types as well. For this demo, I'm going to customize only the difficulty to easy. Okay. Right. So once I'm ready, I'll press on the start quiz button to start a quiz. Great. So this is going to redirect me to the quiz page. Then I can start answering the questions. So you have to answer the questions as fast as possible and as best as you can also, because there's a deadline. Okay. So in which year did Ghana gain independence? This is a very interesting question because I'm in Ghana. It's 1957. Who was the voice actor for the English dubbing of Hall's Moving Castle? I'm not sure. I'm going to choose this one. So once I'm done answering, there is more time left, so maybe I can go through, but I'm just going to submit right away. Okay, so I got 4 out of 10, which is 40%, and then I got the leaderboard score of 4. So right away, I can visit the global leaderboard page, and I'll see myself appearing there. Okay, so I'm currently the only user on the application, so I'm the #1 rank. Okay, as more users come on the application, you notice the difference. Okay, so there's going to be a lot of users on it. Okay. On the global leaderboard report, you are not going to appear here because it's only showing on historical data, okay, excluding the current day. So it's showing up showing the global leaderboard from May 10th, 2026 up to May 17th, 2026. Okay, so it excludes the current day, which is May 17th. Okay, so you can come the next day and then you see yourself appearing in the leaderboard. Okay, as long as it's you're part of that range. Okay, the current range is just 7 days. So yeah, that was a quick overview of QuizRank. Okay, so this is your dashboard and it gives you analytics of your quizzes. Okay. So now that you know how to go about QuizRank, let's upgrade and then see how that one also is like. Okay, so I'm going to click on Go Premium and I'll be redirected to the checkout page. Okay, so payment is securely handled by Polar. Okay, so I don't store your credit cards or payment information. All of that is handled by Polar. Okay, so you fill the form. So I'm going to enter my email and I'm going to use a demo card, okay, because this is a sandbox version, okay. By the time you access the application, it will be the live version. So when you use a demo card, it's not going to work, okay. So let me enter the demo card, which is 42424242, okay, and then right. So enter my name as well, and I'll choose the country, right. So once I'm done filling the form, I'll just subscribe. Right, so the payment was successful and it will take me back to the QuizRank application. Okay, great. So as you can see, the payment was successful. Okay, and there are two things that you can do from here. So you can go to your customer portal where you can manage your subscription, or you can just go to the home page. Okay, so once you're on the home page, you will no longer see the upgrade to premium CTA that was around this side. Okay, so now the links are expanded to include the customer portal link. Okay, so you can easily use this one to visit your portal and then manage your subscriptions. Okay, so if you are to do that, you'll enter your email and then it will send you a link that you can use to sign in and access your customer portal. Okay, so that's basically it. Okay, so now that you have a premium account, let's check out the features of the premium account. Okay, great. So we start a new quiz, and this time you see that the questions has been expanded. Okay, so initially the range was between 5 to 10, but now we can access up to 50 questions. Okay, so I'm going to choose just 20 for now. Okay, and then now I can customize the categories from which the questions should be chosen from. Okay, so I'm going to choose general knowledge, then science and nature questions. Okay, it's let me, yeah, that's fine. Okay, so I have these options. So all the questions are going to come from only these places. I'm going to leave the difficulty and question types as random, okay, so that we're going to alternate. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to start a quiz, and yeah, as usual, I'm going to redirect me to the quiz page, and then I'll answer the questions. Okay. So you realize that the deadline per quiz is different. Okay, so they are calculated based on the number of questions that you're answering for the particular quiz. Okay, so hard questions that are also multiple choice usually have longer duration compared to easy questions with true or false option. So let's answer this quiz. Wait, so I'm just going to quickly answer them randomly, okay? Just to show you. Great. So I've got to question 10, okay? One cool feature about this premium upgrade is that I can go back to quizzes. Maybe I've been interrupted by someone and I'm not able to finish right away. I can go back and then come back and continue. Okay. So once I come back, you realize that my progress have been saved. Okay. So I don't have to restart answering from number one. I can just continue from where I left off. So let me continue answering. Okay. Hopefully I get a very good score. Great. So I'm ready. So let me submit. oops, I got 6 out of 20, but I was able to get a leaderboard score of 12. So I can use this quick access button to take me to the global leaderboard page right after taking a quiz, okay? And you can see that my score has been updated to 16, okay? So initially I had 4, so plus 12, I have 16 now. And the number of quizzes is 2 now, okay? Great. So another feature of the premium upgrade is that on the global report page, I now have access to all the range I can choose from, okay? So by default, it's usually 7 days, last 7 days of historical data for free users, okay? But for premium users, you can customize this range. You can choose to get a report for just yesterday. Currently, there is no report, okay? So it's going to be nothing or empty, okay? You can choose the report for last 30 days. You can choose the report for last 3 months, last 6 months, up to last 12 months, okay? There is also an option that allows you to choose your own from and to, okay, as in where you want the range to start from. So let's say I want it to start from the 1st of May up to today, okay, up to today, which is May 7th, okay, May 17th. Then I'll fetch the report, okay. Great. And because there is no data for now, so nothing is showing. But if there are a lot of users on the data on the application, you're going to see the results, okay, or the report, sorry. So yeah, that's it for QuizRank, okay. One last thing that you can do is installing QuizRank as a application on your device, okay, so that you can easily access it, okay. So you can use this option at the top here, okay, which allows you to install QuizRank in the application, or you can come to the preferences here and then press on install, okay. So let me install it right away. So this will add application on your homepage that will make it easy to easily access it. So as you can see, I can press on this button here and it will open QuizRank for me in a window like this, okay. So yeah, other things you can do is come to your preferences here and customize. Let's say you don't want the sound effects or you don't want the confetti, you can also toggle them off, okay. You can also set a reminder, okay, so that you get notifications to play QuizRank, okay. So when you check this one, you'll be prompted to allow notification. You'll select allow, and then yeah, the notification or the reminder will be turned on for you, okay. You can also customize the time where you want to get the notification. By default, it's 7 p.m. So I'm going to leave it for now, okay. So the last thing I'd like to show you is deleting your account, okay. So if for whatever reason you would like to delete your account and not use QuizRank anymore, you can come to your account portal here, then go to manage your account, then you move to the security tab, then you press on delete account, okay. So you just enter delete account to confirm, then you click on delete account, okay. So they are going to send a confirmation code to your email that you used to sign up, and then you have to enter it to confirm, okay. So let me quickly check it and confirm. So my confirmation code is 088603. Right. So yeah, it was valid, and then my account will be deleted right away. Okay, so all my data, including my quizzes and my presence on the global leaderboard and global reports, all of them are going to be deleted. Okay, great. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy QuizRank. Okay.